Hello. Today we're having a look at a little Sunny 50, and it hasn't got a constant spark. So I've been trying. Now customers went out and bought a whole lot of parts. The old parts Canon, that one's burnt out. That's the original one there. He's changed this one, which I presume is a automatic choke. He's done the stator, he's done the pickup. I always like to check the wiring, and the first thing I found is this plug has only got 2 wires, and this one here has got 3 wires, so we're missing the green wire there, and obviously those colours here don't match up. Well, that one matches up, and that one there doesn't, so we're a wire short. So it's only getting half the pulse width, I'd say. So what do we do? Because this unit here, the wire we're actually missing from that pickup is a green, and just so happens we've got a green here. Must be a CDI unit, maybe controls the spark, and he's burnt out one. Nice big burn hole right there. Yeah, don't even know if this one's compatible. Looks the same, but yeah, forked out on a lot of parts. So I think what we'll do is I'll get hold of the customer, get the original bits, install all the original bits back in, and actually find out what's actually going on with it. It's all very well spending all this money and buying new bits and pieces, but yeah, obviously cheap crap, because I'm missing that extra wire. So I'm not too familiar with the pickups. Pickup which belongs right there, because looking at the gap, and the gap doesn't seem right off the little tab there to pick it up. Seems too far away for actually a pickup. Yes, rest of the wires sort of line up. This one here's okay, or it's a different colour. That's the push start button to activate the starter solenoid. So that's good. These 2 wires here I think are still original for whatever that is, but yeah, this pickup's completely wrong. That's why we're getting a spark, then we're not, then we're getting a spark, then we're not. So yeah, so this will be part 1, and I'll continue on with part number 2 as soon as I get the bits in. Cheers.